Hi, my name is Ernest, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to integrate Ajax Search Pro with Divi 5's Loops feature. So in order to make this work, obviously you're going to need Ajax Search Pro plugin and the latest version of Divi 5. I have both of them installed in this test environment, so let's get started. First off, I'm going to go to Ajax Search Pro, and I already have created a search bar. It's with the default configuration. If you don't have one, you can just create one here. So you are going to need two things. One of this is this search shortcode. So take a note of that because we're going to use this search bar. And the second one is if you click on this gear icon and access the settings, go to search behavior and into this search element or archive shop page live results and scroll down a little bit. We are going to need this string right there. So those two things, the search shortcode and this one. I'm going to leave this open so it's easier to copy and paste it. And now I open up a new page, a new tab with the pages, and I'm just going to create a new page. Let's make a new Divi loop module. I'm not very good at this, but I'm going to do my best. I'm just going to make like a really basic module right here. So let's click on this, and I'm going to first add the search into an equal column and just click on this new module. And I think I'm going to use the text. And here I'm going to use the search shortcode, which was, oh, you can't really see it because it's hovered. Oh, in the sidebar, here we go. www ASP ID equals 1. But you can of course copy paste it and it's immediately rendered. That's great. And now we need to add a new section for the actual loop items. I think I'm going to do like these 3-column things. I really kind of like it. And first off, we're going to have to add I think we're going to image and also a heading. So it's going to be the image and the post title. So now to make this thing loop, we are going to, the easiest way I figured it is I open the layers up here and select the first column and just click on in the sidebar under the loop menu. I just click on loop. It looks a little bit janky, but no worries. Let's go to the row settings here. So you can just select the row here. And under the design, I think it's in the layout, you want to enable wrap. Here we go. Now it's wrapping. Now we're getting somewhere. And now let's just click on the very first image here and change the source in the sidebar here. Insert dynamic content, loop post featured image. Here we go. Now it's fetching the images from the actual post, but unfortunately not all of them have images. The same goes, we click on the first heading and just change the source here, insert dynamic content to loop post title. And that's it. We have the baseline loop here. You are going to, of course, design this nicer. We're going to go back to the column here. And remember, if you go back, we need this string. I'm just going to copy it. This ESP underscore ES underscore 1. I'm just going to copy that. Go to the first column. Here we go. Advanced, attributes, add attribute, and the attribute name is going to be class, and the value is going to be this. So the important thing that this class has to be on this column column item. Here we go. And one more step. We also need to do this for the row. So we go to the row, advanced, go add an attribute, class, and we add this as the value. And I think we're just going to save the draft because basically that's all we need. So let me just grab this a little bit lower so you can see. I'm going to open the preview right here. And if I start a type here, it should start filtering. So let's grab this and type it in. And here we go. It's already working. Now to reiterate again. So you create the loop, go to the first column, into the advanced attributes, add the class, this ASPES _1. This changes based on the search ID. So if you have multiple searches, this might be ASPES 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. And also on the row, that is the container of these columns. So on the advanced attributes, ASP.S1, and that's it. And as you can see, it is working just perfectly. All right, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want this type of feature for your website, well, just grab a license of Ajax Search Pro and there you have it. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye.